Hello, and welcome back to the AI Smart Ventures podcast, where you learn everything you need to know about applied AI content and building systems that scale your reach without scaling your hours. I am Nicole Donnelly, founder of AI Smart Ventures, and today we are here with Sophie Lauren, who is the marketing director at AI Smart Ventures, and we will be covering how to turn Google Vids into a video distribution system that produces a month of content in one sitting.
Thank you, Nicole. I am excited to be here.
So, Sophie, video is the channel most founders avoid. Why is that, and how does Vids change it?
They avoid it because the production cost is real. Filming takes a block, editing takes another, and one stumble means redoing takes you thought were done. So good ideas never make it to camera. Gemini in Google Vids removes the cost by turning one script into finished video, and by letting you skip filming entirely if you want.
Let us start with someone who hates being on camera. What can they do?
They never have to appear. You start with an outline, and Gemini drafts the script and a rough cut with suggested scenes, so you are shaping something instead of facing an empty timeline. Then, instead of filming, you input the script and use an AI avatar to deliver it, with a VO-generated scene behind them. No lighting, no retakes, no camera anxiety. You are directing, not performing, and the process is genuinely calm.
And for people who do record themselves?
Transcript trimming is the gift there. You edit the video by editing the text, so you highlight the ums and the dead pauses and remove them, and the video follows. Editing becomes reading, which is far faster and far less painful than scrubbing a timeline.
Now, the distribution piece, which is really the theme this month.
This is where it compounds. Ask Gemini for 3 versions of a single script, one for a reel, one for LinkedIn, one for a client, and one idea now fits several channels. Then batch. Block one sitting, run 4 topics back to back, generate each script and rough cut, spin each into 3 versions. 4 topics become 12 pieces, and you leave that session with a month of video queued.
A real example of the payoff?
A founder who had posted almost no video sat down for 2 hours, ran 4 topics through Vids with an avatar, and generated a reel, a LinkedIn cut, and a client version of each. She walked away with a month of content and never turned on a camera. The barrier that had stopped her for 2 years was just gone.
Mistakes and pro tips?
The main mistake is posting weekly, because then you pay the startup cost every week and consistency dies. Batch monthly instead, pay it once. Pro tip, keep your outline simple. 3 bullets is enough for Gemini to build from, and reuse a house style so every video feels like you.
And what would be a good set of next steps today?
1. Pick 4 topics you have wanted to cover. 2. Block 2 hours this week. 3. In Google Vids, outline each, let Gemini draft and build with an avatar. Then ask for 3 channel versions of each. A month queued in one sitting.
The takeaway is the difference between a content treadmill and a distribution system. You build once, in one sitting, and let Gemini turn one idea into many. Sophie, thank you for making it feel so effortless.
My pleasure, Nicole. Block the 2 hours, that is the only hard part.
I am Nicole Donnelly, and this is AI Smart Ventures podcast. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are watching this on YouTube, or follow us if you are listening from other channel. Quick reminder that every week we have a special episode with the hottest AI news of the week hosted by me, so you can stay up to date with everything that has been happening in the world of artificial intelligence. I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.